अच्छा लगता है कि कंज्यूमर इज किंग, लेकिन अगर आपने कोई प्रोडक्ट खरीदा है या सर्विस ली है और आप प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस से हैं नाखुश, तो हम लड़ेंगे आपके हक के लिए और दिलाएंगे आपको इंसाफ। पहरेदार, कंज्यूमर और कंपनी को जोड़ने वाला सबसे बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म। आप अपनी दिन रात की मेहनत भरी कमाई बड़ी सोच समझ के बचाते हैं, पर क्या आपके बचाए हुए पैसे आपके लिए कमाई कर रहे हैं? नहीं? तो आइए करिए हमसे बात। मेरे पास है आपकी सभी फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स का सलूशन। सबका सपना मनी मनी, जल्द CNBC आवाज पर।
स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर। हम खास बातचीत कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर क्वांटम एसेट मैनेजमेंट के डायरेक्टर अजीत दयाल साहब से। अजीत, जैसे कि आप साहब से बात हो रही थी कि क्रूड को आप उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि वो नीचे आएगा, लेकिन आपके हिसाब से मार्केट के लिए यानी इंडेक्स के लिए क्या लेवल आप देखते हैं यहाँ से एक साल बाद?
पिछले महीने मैंने आई रोट एन आर्टिकल अबाउट द BSE 30 इंडेक्स पोटेंशियली रीचिंग 29,000 by next July, so in 12 months time. I got a lot of negative comments on that, honest truth. And we are not saying that the index will definitely go there. Our view is that the earnings of companies are growing in India, as I've been saying. If foreigners get excited about India, it is possible that the US is in trouble. It's possible that Greece, Ireland, Portugal, Spain are all in trouble. And people with savings, people with money, look around the world for those economies which are less in trouble, more insulated and are growing, and they'll come to India. And when they see earnings growing in India, they will move that capital towards the Indian stock market. When that capital moves towards India, it will cause a rise in share prices. So there are a lot of assumptions in this statement.
पर ये लेमन के टाइम पे तो नहीं हुआ?
जरूर हुआ, 6 महीने में हुआ. Within 6 months it happened. September Lehman went bust. March India began recovering. India did not recover fully March, April, May because we had elections going on. What happened the day after the election results? On 17th May, Monday, the market went up by 17%. Was it 15 May? I forget the date. It went up by 15% in 60 seconds of trading. They had to have circuit breaker, circuit breaker, circuit breaker. It shot up. But it showed you the anticipation that people had of buying India, but the fear of the election result. कि चुनाव में क्या होने वाला है, कांग्रेस जीतेगी, बीजेपी जीतेगी. There was a fear factor. Once that fear went away, the market took off and hasn't gone back since then.
तो आप उस टारगेट पे कायम हैं?
अभी ये टारगेट तो नहीं है. That's, we're not buying with that view, but we're trying to tell people that don't always think negative. So when there's a massive tezi, we sound like mandi. When there's massive mandi, we sound like tezi. All we are doing is being balanced, being realistic, and being patient. That's all you need to do in investing.
चूंकि आप स्टॉक पिकिंग खास जोड़ते हैं और जाने जाते हैं स्टॉक पिकिंग के लिए, इस समय मिड कैप, स्मॉल कैप अपने नवंबर के हाई से भी अगर आप कंपेयर करें तो ऑन एन एवरेज 50% नीचे है, तो आप खरीदेंगे इनको?
We don't like small cap because they are small cap. In fact, we think of them as untested, as untried across cycles, untried in a growth cycle, and therefore they will have more difficulty in growing, especially in a Lehman-like situation. When interest rates increase, when their cost of borrowing increases, and when banks decide not to lend them any money because they're small and they're more risky. So small cap, mid caps deserve to be cheaper. They should never go up too much. When they go up too much, it's bubble. November was a bubble.
लेकिन एक बड़ा शॉक जो नवंबर में लगा, जिसकी वजह से सारे स्टॉक नीचे आए, कि स्कैम सामने आने शुरू हुए काफी छोटे मिड कैप, स्मॉल कैप कंपनीज में। आपको लगता है कि पूरी कोशिश यहाँ पे नहीं हो रही है, रेगुलेटरी फ्रेमवर्क स्ट्रांग नहीं है?
See, a regulator can only prescribe rules, and once the rules are broken, they can punish you. Look at regulators in the US. Look at the SEC. Look, I don't know if your viewers have seen this documentary called The Inside Job, but every investor in this country must see this documentary film called The Inside Job. Go to your video library and borrow it. It had come in theaters but stayed only 1 week. That movie tells you the crookedness of the big firms in the US and how regulators around the world have not punished them to the full extent. And to us, regulators have become powerless because of the financial lobby and the strength of these big people. Look at Indian mutual fund industry. Look at the distribution channels. Look how they have defrauded investors over the years with the help of the large mutual fund companies. And what has been the regulatory answer to that? Yes, SEBI came out with a ban. Now there is talk of that ban coming away or maybe lessening or getting less diluted against the investor. Look at the power of these fund houses and the distribution channels. To us, that is scary. So the regulator exists. Please recognize that with a set of rules. But you, the investor, must be really careful on your own. Learn from your experience. When I was 25 years old, I met a gentleman from South Africa. और उसने मुझे कहा बिल्कुल सिंपल इंग्लिश में, अंग्रेजी में, उसने बोला मुझे, you shake someone's hand, अगर आपको you don't get 5 fingers back, don't shake their hand again. Very simple rule. You all invest in small cap, mid cap, large cap companies. You get cheated. They do something wrong. Their share price collapses. In the next cycle, no matter how beautifully the chairman speaks at an AGM or EGM or whatever, or no matter what the brokerage house says, don't ever touch that stock.
उसी का दूसरा एस्पेक्ट, जैसे कि आप कहते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड इंडस्ट्री में, तो क्या आपको लगता है कि यहाँ भी रेगुलेशन बहुत फ्री एंड फेयर नहीं है? फ्री कंपटीशन दरअसल नहीं हो रहा है एसेट मैनेजमेंट कंपनीज के बीच, फंड्स के बीच?
Competition is there. There are now mutual funds and all. The problem is that amongst the whole industry, Quantum seems to be the only fund house that is worried about the benefit of the investor. That is a sad statement. अभी 1992 में ये रूल आया था, ये what we call the FII rule for foreigners to buy into India. At that time, from then to now, the foreign ownership of the Indian stock market, FII's ownership, has gone from 2% now to 22%. If you look at the mutual fund now, the mutual fund rules changed in 1993 to allow more private sector mutual funds. In 1993, UTI alone used to own 10% of the stock market. Today, all mutual funds, including UTI and all the big ones, own 3%. Domestic ownership has fallen from 10% to 3% in the last 20 years. Foreign ownership has gone from 2% to 22%. We've done something wrong in the mutual fund industry. We need to wake up and acknowledge our mistakes. Our CEOs have become rich, distributors have become rich. And what about the investors? People's jobs have increased, tankha zyada ho gaya hai, savings have increased, and yet your participation in your own market has come down. That's a statement to you. It's a slap on your face as an industry. Wake up, change, work for the investor. That is our appeal to the industry.
तो क्या ये जो बात हो रही है कि वापस से डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को इंसेंटिव दिया जाए, उनको फीस वापस से दी जाए जो कि बंद कर दी थी भावे साहब ने, उससे फायदा होगा?
It should be transparent. Distributor, हम लोग को सब पैसा चाहिए हर दिन के लिए. We all have to earn money, no doubt, and we all perform a function. So we as a fund manager of Quantum Long-Term Equity Fund, we get a fee of 1% and it's known, it's disclosed. The distributor wants to get his fee 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, whatever he or she wants, take it, but disclose it. Let the investor know कि आपने 100 रुपया दिया है, तो 5 टाका 5 rupees is going as distribution commission. You should be aware of that.
पर कितना लोड होना चाहिए आपके हिसाब से?
Load can be, see, in the US, the way it is done is called Section 12B1 fees, where it is disclosed. Typically, if you buy an emerging market fund or an India fund or something like that, that 12B1 fee may be 2, 3 or 4%. If you buy a US domestic stock market fund, the 12B1 fee may be 1% or less. So it depends on the product you're selling. But the key point is there is a distribution fee, but it is disclosed. So the investor can compare. He can ask questions. He can ask the IFA. He can ask the distributor. You give me 2 forms. This form has got a 6% stamp, which you are getting 6% of the fee. This form from Quantum Long-Term Equity Fund says 0.25%. Why is the 6% fund better? Why are you pushing that form to me? He can ask that question. Why not the other fund of Quantum with a lower commission? Today he doesn't know. He gets 3 forms. He has no idea what the actual commission being paid is for those forms. So it is very good that Mr. Bhave and SEBI 1.5 to 2 years ago put a stop to this nonsense. To me, it's racket. It's racketeering, and that has to stop worldwide, not only in mutual funds India but worldwide.
तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. ये ऑनेस्ट ट्रूथ जो CNBC आवाज के दर्शकों ने आज सुना, और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि अजीत दयाल की खरी खरी बातें आपको आगे भी सुनने को मिलेंगी. लेकिन फिलहाल हमें दीजिए इजाजत. नमस्कार.
समाचार के प्रायोजक हैं जयप्रकाश पावर वेंचर्स लिमिटेड, देश को जगमगाने का जुनून। मारुति सुजुकी cars that give you unmatched value. The Titan is here, Price Group, a Rahul Gaur enterprise. प्यार की नई भाषा, Sapphire Diamond Jewelry, Language of Love. और latest issue of Forbes Life India on stands now. To subscribe, SMS Live to 51818.
जिंदगी के हसीन पलों के लिए सफायर डायमंड ज्वेलरी, सफायर डायमंड ज्वेलरी, लैंग्वेज ऑफ लव।
जियो every moment of life because जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. Discover life, enjoy with your friends and have thrilling experiences. Log on to www.gojio.com, a fun, exciting 3D virtual world, and get a chance to meet the cast of Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
ICICI Lombard Health Insurance and CNBC TV 18 present